How to efficiently recover backup of SQL Server database? Try SysTools SQL Backup Recovery Software. Let's discuss key features. It repairs and recovers SQL backups, supports .bak files from SQL Server 2000 to 2022, including MDF, NDF, and differential backups. Advanced recovery features. It recovers deleted objects, tables, stored procedures, views, with auto-detection of the SQL Server version. Third is flexible export options. It can exports to live SQL Server, SQL scripts, or CSV format. User-friendly and scalable. Highlights the deleted objects in red. Handles .bak files up to 1.4 terabytes. To download the software, open Google and search for SysTools SQL Backup Recovery Software. Now click on the first link. Then click on the Download button. Once downloaded, simply install the software on your system. This is the interface of SysTools SQL Backup Recovery Software. At the top left, you'll find the Open option, which allows you to open an SQL database backup file in .bak format. Save option, allowing you to save the current recovery session for future use. With the Load option, users can reopen a previously saved recovery session. The Export option lets you export recovered backup SQL data to your chosen destination. There are also additional features, such as support, which connects you to the SysTools support team for assistance. Order allows you to purchase the software directly through our website. Help provides access to online instructional resources. About gives you software version details and other important information. The Reactivate option lets you activate the software using a valid license key. And finally, the Exit option closes the program. To begin, click on the Open button. In the Scan section, the first option you'll see is Add File, where users can add their SQL backup database file. Click on Browse, then select the .bak file, as this is the format used for backup files. Finally, click on the Open button to proceed. In the Select Version section, the software automatically detects the SQL Server database version. If users need to target a specific SQL Server version, they can uncheck the Auto Select Version option and manually choose a version, such as SQL Server 2022, 2019, 2017, and more. Note: selecting the wrong version may result in inconsistent behavior. Let's check out this feature, as it will automatically select the version. Let's also enable the Recover Deleted Objects option. Enabling this will allow the software to recover deleted tables, stored procedures, index triggers, views, and records. Important: for SQL Server version 2000, only deleted records will be recovered. Click on OK to continue. Let's also explore the Multiple Backup File option. The first option automatically detects SQL Server multiple backup files, making it useful for quickly identifying and importing multiple backup files. The second option, Let Me Choose, allows users to select multiple backup files manually. Users can do this by clicking on the Add File or Add Folder options, which are ideal for handling larger datasets. For now, let's switch back to the default setting to Auto and go back to the Scan option. Now click on OK to proceed further. Select the backup file, then click on Recover. A window will appear showing how much data has been recovered. Click Close to proceed. Next, a message will appear asking, "Do you want to save the scanned file?" This allows you to save the scanned file for future use. For now, let's click No. Since we're working with only one file, users can choose to save the file if needed. On the left side, a list of recovered backup data will be generated. Click on them to view the data inside them. The bold files contain data. Click on it. On the right, users can see the data displayed in a user-friendly format. Files in regular font are empty, while those in red indicate deleted files that have been recovered. Now let's export this data. To do that, click on the Export button at the top. Export Options window will appear. Users can export their data in 3 formats. The first option is SQL Server Database. By selecting this, users can export data directly to their SQL Server. To proceed, users need to enter their details. Under Database Authentication, input the server name and select either Windows Authentication or SQL Server Authentication. For SQL Server Authentication, enter the username and password. In the Select Destination Database section, users can either create a new database or export the data to an existing one. If creating a new database, users can choose a name by entering it in the Database Name field. In the collation setting, users can customize how the data is sorted and compared, with options such as sorting order and case sensitivity. The second format is SQL Server Compatible SQL Scripts. With this option, users can export their data as SQL script files. The third format is CSV. For this tutorial, we'll be exporting the data in CSV format. Users can choose any format they need based on their requirements. In this panel, users can choose which data to export and which to exclude. Under the export options, the first choice is with only schema, which exports only the schema without any data. The second option is with schema and data, which exports both the schema and the data. For this tutorial, we will choose the with schema and data option to export all the recovered data. The third option, Export Deleted Objects, exports the deleted objects. Let's enable this option. The fourth option exports the deleted records. Let's enable this option as well. Once all settings are configured, click the Save button to start the export process. Next, choose the destination folder for the export and click OK. After the export is complete, a message will appear confirming that the data was successfully exported. Now let's check the exported files. Click OK and then close the software. Open the exported folder. Open CSV files. As you can see, the backup data has been recovered. And that's how you can recover SQL backup data using SysTools SQL Backup Recovery software. Log on to the product page for more details and to purchase the product. For any queries, email us at support@systoolsgroup.com.